My name is Allison Fruge, and I work for Allison Audiology as an audiology assistant. I have gone through extensive training to become an audiology assistant, so now I get to be hands-on with our patients, which is great. My role as an audiology assistant is to perform routine checks on your hearing aids. So if you're having difficulties with your hearing aids, I can definitely help. I also get to assist Dr. Austin, Dr. Cahote, and Ryan with their patients if the patient is needing to know more about their app or how to clean and maintain their hearing aids. I like to be able to help the patient as much as I can. I like to see their face when they're like, oh, now it works. And that's very, very satisfying to me to see their face like light up. I love my coworkers. My Dr. Austin's great to work with. Dr. Cahote is amazing. Ryan, our front desk Kristen, and our office manager Stephanie. They're all great. They have amazing personalities. Everyone's so sweet. It's amazing to work in a comfortable environment.